Projectile Motion Series M&M Quiz 2151. Welcome to hecanhelp.com. So here is our velocity vector. The magnitude is 40. The unit is meters per second, 40 meters per second. Positive x is defined as to the right. Positive y is vertically up. Assume no air resistance. A ball is kicked as shown before at 40 meters per second. At what angle? 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal. The initial velocity vector makes an angle of 30 degrees with respect to horizontal. What is the vertical component? Is it A or is it B? So there are two ways by which we can do this. What we can do is at 30 degrees angle, you put 2 points. Join those 2 points and extend it all the way. On that line, mark 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 40 meters per second. And then what do? You draw the perpendicular to the x and perpendicular to the y. This becomes your x component. This becomes your y component. So that's one way of doing it, and then measure the horizontal component and the vertical component. The other way is to use the trig. Whenever we have a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is given, which is 40. And if the angle with respect to the horizontal is given 30. So whenever we have a vector at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal, we have this as your horizontal component and we have this as our vertical component. So the angle is given 30 degrees with respect to horizontal. We are looking for the vertical component. And the vertical component is the opposite side to 30 degrees. So that means what? Sine 30 by definition is opposite side to 30. Opposite side to 30 divided by hypotenuse of 40. Opposite side to theta is the vertical component. So this is our vertical component. Vertical component, opposite side to theta divided by 40 equals sine 30. Cross multiply and what do we get? Vertical component is 40 sine 30. Sine 30 is 1/2. For those of you who know this triangle, this becomes a little more easier. So sine 30 is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 30 is 1/2. So 40 times 0.5 and that is 20. What is the magnitude? 20. What is the direction? Positive x. And what is the unit? Meters per second. And this is George Mathew, always on your side. Good luck.